that thing's got enough power.
I think so. So our second new addition to our family. Sebastian just got his 2001 Suzuki DR650 delivered to our doorstep. My Yamaha just sold yesterday, and we had it delivered today. It sounds beefy.
I didn't think it would sound like that. Guy that had it before put a Super Trap sticker on the exhaust, but it's just a stock one.
Okay.
Brakes are brand new.
So for a 90 DR, it's not bad at all. It's not in perfect condition, but it's definitely workable. For now, we're gonna scrub that crap off of it, literally. Once that's done, we're gonna move on to the chain, because that's where the most of our attention is going to be needed. I don't think it's ever been done. It's completely caked, and you'll see before and after of the chain and the brake fluid. I should do a video on how to go through a WD-40 can in 30 seconds. The filth is there, now it's gone. Old nasty brake fluid, and let there be light. Just finished giving it a good lube. Now let's hear it.
Starts perfect. Just finished doing a full tune-up on it. The chain was extremely dirty. I lubed and greased and everything you can think of. Readjusted the suspension to my weight. Pretty much did a full maintenance since yesterday. We just finished it now. Thought everyone would like to hear what the bike sounds like. It's just a factory exhaust on it, but I love it so far.
Now we get to go ride them, so we gotta go.
Bit cold, but we're still doing it. Hope everyone has a nice day.